Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nofarhani binti Muhammad Noor. I'm from Group 5. Today I will talk about issue culture in workplace. First of all, what is culture? Culture refers to people, value, belief, attitude, language, symbol, ritual, behavior and costume unique to a particular group of people and passed down from generation to generation. Our issue is about problem to communicate other language. This is our articles about problem to communicate other language from Utusan Online. Malaysian people hard to get job nowadays. Most 95% set requirement for Mandarin language to get a job. Company or shop will not accept people who cannot speak in Mandarin. What is the solution to make fairness? Every citizen of the country should respect the national policy set by Parliament that Bahasa Melayu is the official language by President of the Malaysian Employer Federal Muhammad Jaafar Abdul Karim. In Article 152, the Malaysian Constitution provides that a national language in Malaysia is Malay. The position of Malay as a national language does not deny the position and the right of other language to be used, learned and developed even by use public funds. In the other attempt to deny the right of other race to work in company, we as a Malaysian should be the one fluent in speaking and writing in Malay. From Malaysian Islamic Youth Force, President Ahmad Azam Abdul. That's all for me. Thank you.